Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be another twist out tutorial for you guys. Look at my hair. Look how long it's gotten. Look at that. It's crazy. So today I will be starting out with my Moisture Repair Cream. So today is going to be actually a twist out on stretched hair. So I am going to blow dry my hair, just stretch it and then do a twist out. I saw someone do it. I wanted to see how my results were going to come out. So I am going to moisturize my hair first just to protect it before I add some heat to it, because y'all know my hair is really dry. So it needs some moisture before I go in and dry it. So I am going to twist it all over to help stretch it so that I don't have to do a lot of work when blow drying. Oh, and let me say, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. And if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you join the family. But yeah, welcome. And hey, let's get back into this look. All
I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you.
Alright, so I'm unraveling my twist and then I am going to blow dry on low heat. Low heat because y'all know how my hair go and I am not trying to have another haircut. So I'm going to blow dry and just stretch my whole head on low heat. Actually, I'm not going to do the front a lot because my curls in the front are very they're very funny, so I don't put a lot of heat on them because they lose their curl pattern really easily. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of heat on it, and yeah.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause you and me won't last long.
Alrighty, so here we go with the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. I am going to go in with this curling cream. I'm going to do my twist out with this curling cream. I saw a video of a girl doing it, so I wanted to give it a try. I'm not going in with a lot just because I don't want my hair to revert back, but I am going to add a little bit of that curling cream to each section of hair, and then I am going to do a flat twist down, and we'll see how it turns out.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then you leave when it's like nothing wrong.
Alright guys, so when it comes to these twist outs, because my hair is dry, I am going to try to be as neat as possible, because the more messy you are, the more frizz you will get. And let's just face it, I have type 4 hair, I have dry hair, I have dry 4A, 4C hair, and honey, there is not much that I can do about frizz. So my hair is naturally frizzy. However, I am going to do these as neat as possible because I want as much definition as I can. And then towards the end, on the end of each curl or at the end of each twist, I'm going to put a little bit more product just to get the ends to curl.
The rings and the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to get into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 oh.
All right, now it's time for the takedown. So I had a little bit of shrinkage in the front there. So I'm just going to pull on those twists just to help them to stretch out a little bit. And yeah, I'm just going to loose these out. No special way to loose them out, you know, just unraveling them as neatly as I can, I guess. But I just have no special technique for taking out my twist outs. One thing I do notice is that my hair did stretch really, really well. I love that. But you have to be careful. At least I have to be careful with putting heat on my hair, because honey, my hair do not like no heat. And I'm not trying to go back to last summer where I burnt all my hair off. So guys, here, check it out. Now I will say I got more frizz than I was expecting in the front, and that's why I don't like to put heat on my hair. So I should have probably put a little bit more of the curl la la, because as you can see right in the front here, my hair is as it's not as defined as the sides and the back. So just right in the front is still a little frizzy. So that part of my hair probably could have done with some more product, but I am loving this look. Look at the growth, look at the volume. That's what I love. So that's what I like about actually stretching the hair before twisting it down, is the volume that it gives. I am just loving this. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think below. Look at that. Okay, girl. Oh, girl, you better get it. Okay. All right, guys, so let me know what you think in the comments below. And again, if this is your first time watching, or if you're just not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button, honey. It's not gonna cost you a thing. Okay. All right, guys, so until I see you guys again, stay beautiful. Bye.